Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you their first interacts ideas. So friends, I hope you are enjoy videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. Try making stone photo holder, attach a wire clip to flat stone. It is a perfect for display photo, notes or card. A stone candle holder is another beautiful project. Arrange stones around a glass candle holder for a nature and elegant look. And friends, my next idea is reverse. Friends, for wall decor, make stone art pictures. Glue stones into a convenience to create a people's tree, birds, or house. Each piece becomes unique and special. And friends, reverse. My next idea is friends, stone candle holder, another beautiful project. Arrange stone around a glass candle holder furniture and elegant look. And viewers, my next idea is weavers. Try making stone photo holder and attach a wire clip to flat stone. It's perfect display photo stones or cards. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.